new journal to share. I created this journal as a design team project for Amy Joy Studios. It's supposed to be my September journal. It's December, so as you can tell, it took me a minute because there's been a lot going on in my life, but I finally got it finished, so I am very pleased to share it with you today. This was made using the Witch Academy kit that's available in her shop, plus some other kits that I will list in the description box below. So as you can see, there's the cover, very cute girl in a witch costume there, and there's someone playing the piano in the background. It's funny, when I first looked at this, I didn't even notice the guy in the background, but there he is. So I just put ribbon on here, some pearls, you see a bit of bling. I put a little bit of gold accent on there and some lace, and the corners have gold corners to protect them. I think it came out pretty cute. It's a lot chunkier than what I had tried to do, but if you follow my channel, you know I am the queen of chunk, so it is what it is. So let's just go right ahead and jump in. Hopefully my phone will have enough charge because it needs to be charged. But anyway, this is 4 signatures, coffee dyed paper. It has stickers and, did I put stickers in here? Yeah, I did. It has stickers and washi tape and lace and, yeah, just my normal fare. So here's the first page. We're just gonna go through. I added some pockets and tags and music paper and stuff like that. So I had fun making this book. And I hope you enjoy it. Just some little bits of writing paper in there. So anyway, it is very cold here in Vermont. There's lots of snow and ice outside. It's already dark, which is depressing, but whatever. And I have had a lot going on in my own private life. My father passed away in March, and that was unexpected and sad and just a lot of grief, obviously. And then my brother passed away in August. That was also a lot of sadness and grief, obviously. And excuse me, the really bad thing, oh yeah, and also my aunt passed away like a week ago, so it's been a lot. But with those first two, with my father and with my brother, it was just, I don't know. It's a very complicated situation. If you follow me on Facebook, you've read my post about how complicated the relationships were, and most people who have family can kind of understand that to an extent. Family is complicated. It can be good, it can be happy, it can be joyous, and it can be very sad and complicated, which is unfortunate. But I've gotten a lot better. I was in the grocery store a couple months ago buying some muffins. I just thought about my father and I got very sad. I don't know why, because there is no association with muffins, but grief is not rational. Grief, it's just grief. And as with my brother, we were estranged, and that was also unfortunate, but as you know, you cannot make an adult do anything, and people have conflict for whatever reason. And all you can do is try to work through it, try to accept it, wish those people the best, and, you know, just kind of keep going through. And what's so sad about it, I don't know, it's just, I don't know. I can't say anything more but besides, I don't know. But as I said, I am a lot better. I feel very bad about not being able to get this journal completed before now, but I did the best I could. I have been so stressed. There's a lot going on. We're supposed to be moving out of this house because the owner wants to sell it, because if you know anything about Vermont property, it's extremely overpriced, and people have been coming in here from New York and all kinds of places with pockets full of money, and they will pay any amount of money for any structure. They don't care what condition it's in. As long as it's in Vermont, they will pay for it. I was looking around for different places to rent. They have a house for $59,000 a month. I'm not kidding. It's literally there. In fact, there's 2 of them. There's one around here, they want $14,000 a month. There's one around here, they want $10,000 a month. I don't know who in their right mind would pay that kind of money for an average home. Now, I understand the $59,000 a month. It's like a resort property. You might have a star to come here and, spend Christmas, but just an average round the way kind of place for $10,000 and $14,000 and $60,000 a month. I don't get it, but whatever. I don't have that kind of money, and I'd like to think if I did, I would do something else with it besides that. So anyway, that's that. So hopefully everyone is doing well. Hopefully everyone is being creative and keeping warm. I started watching Christmas movies and Christmas shows a couple days ago. I usually try to wait until later, but kind of helped to lift my spirits. I'm trying to see, what is this? I can't tell what's glued and what's not. Okay, anyway, it kind of helped to lift my spirits, which is nice. So I haven't watched Christmas Vacation yet, so I have to look at that. I watched Shrek the Halls, which is so cute. And I watched Home Alone 1 and 2. Had not seen that in a minute. I'm going to watch Christmas with the Cranks. I watched Rudolph, which is so sweet. And what else do I look at? I have a list. Oh yeah, Jack Frost. I have to look at him because he's also cute. And A Christmas Story. A Christmas Story is my jam. It's funny, the first time I saw that movie, I was in 7th grade. And they showed it to us, I guess like a treat. This is a library card. I don't know if I've taken it out, but you can see it's a library card. Anyway, they showed it to us like right before Christmas. And I thought it was such a cool, cute movie even then. And now they run it like on TBS and some other station. I think it's AMC. They run it like 24 hours a day. Like on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, whatever it is. So whenever they show that, isn't she pretty? I'm going to tune in. Hopefully I can catch a Charlie Brown Christmas. They started putting that on Apple TV for some rude, disrespectful reason. I don't have Apple TV now. I lost my page. There it is. I don't have it right now. I had it when that show Servant was on. If you've seen that, it's really good. If you haven't, you should check it out. But I only pay for it like when there's something on there I want to watch, because otherwise I consider it a waste of my money. So I'll have to see where a Charlie Brown Christmas is, and I will check that out. These are some tags from a very cute backpack I bought, so I thought they would look nice in there. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to be in the Christmas spirit. It's kind of hard to be going through things and trying to be happy at the same time, but I guess you can. I know some people are going through much more than I am, and you have my sympathy if you are. But yeah, life is what life is. I posted on my Facebook page when my brother passed away. I told my professor about it, and she told me that life is pain, and that really sit with me for a while, because I thought to myself, yes it is. It's not always painful, but there is a lot of pain in life. I was just reading someone's post on Instagram. She's been diagnosed with cancer, and I feel very sorry for her. She's a health fitness person, and you would think a person like that would not have a health issue, but such is life, such are things. So hopefully life is treating you well, and you're not going through anything bad. If you are, hope you can get through it. Maybe you can craft something, or get a nice treat to eat or drink, or you can find something on television that uplifts you, or read a good book, something like that. And I hope that looking at this journal flip through gave you some comfort and joy. I like looking at my books. I have a habit of buying journals made by other artists because they're inspiring to me and they're uplifting. There's the back cover. And I just really enjoy looking at their work. And I hope that you enjoy looking at mine. It is so chunky. Look at it. 4 signatures, hardback cover. I don't know how thick the spine is, but it's a big one. I think it's beautiful. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm thinking about trying to relist my journals again in my Etsy shop. I've done it several times and they don't usually move, but I'm trying to keep the faith because other people are able to sell their journals. I think my journals, they're pretty. I think they're sweet. So I might try to list them again, I'm not sure. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is Thursday whenever you're watching this. And I hope you just have a wonderful Christmas season or whatever holiday you celebrate, if you celebrate anything at all. This is my September offering from my design team project for Amy Joy Studios. Please check out her Etsy shop. She has the most beautiful kits ever, and I think you really find something that you like. I'm going to start working on the October journal. I need to try to get 2 of them done. If I can get October and November, I'll be relatively current. I can just do the one for December, so we shall see. So wish me luck. And thank you so much for checking this out. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.